kind of interesting. Let's understand what the water tube things are. Those water tubes are extremely important for being able to bring the cold water down to the inside of that electrode. That water going to the inside of the electrode is going to keep that electrode cool during our weld process. We must have a consistent temperature. That water tube needs to go all the way to the inside of that electrode. In fact, that water tube is cut at a 45-degree angle just to make sure it can bottom out but not close off that water flow. So when you are changing an electrode, make sure that that water tube is in your electrode when you go to put it back together. That is so extremely important to the cooling of that electrode and the cooling off of the weld during our hold time or our forging time for that nugget.